So I recently subscribed to Adobe Substance Painter, and along with that comes a great resource called Adobe Substance 3D Assets. And here you have a bunch of materials, 3D models, lighting, all sorts of stuff. But most importantly for me is materials. I love the variety you have here, and they don't come built into Substance Painter. So some materials do come built in, but not all. And if you want to add one, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I could just download, drag and drop, but it won't be available every time I open Substance. So I'm going to show you a way to have it in your Substance going forward, so you always have that material to use. So first off, I got to find a material. So I'm going to go to fabrics because I'm going to make a fabric here. Let's go all the way down and find something very unique for this example. So this one. I definitely don't have this one, so let's use it. So I'm going to download SBSAR. That's just a material file, so that's exactly what we're looking for. And now I have it in my downloads here. It's the SBSAR, not those FBXs, just ignore those. So I could just drag and drop it into my Substance Painter, and that would work while I'm in this session. But next time I open up Substance, it won't be there anymore. So I want to make sure that this is installed within my Substance Painter so that I always have this material available. And that's what I'm going to show you, because that has changed recently with the new additions of Substance. So I'm going to show you how to navigate there. Right now, I'm just in my Windows drive. You're going to go to Program Files, Adobe, down to Substance Painter, Resources, Starter Assets. And here you've got kind of everything you need. I made a desktop shortcut to this folder so that every time I download a new one of any of these, I can just put them directly into this folder. And I'll show you how to do that too. But what we're looking for specifically is the materials subfolder, because we have a material. And then even within this subfolder, there's different categories, and we're going with fabric. So now I'm going to move this wax flower print, paste, copy, cut and paste, I should say, continue. And now it should be available within Substance. So let's take a peek. I think it was called wax flower. You could also search fabric. Here it is, wax flower. Was not there before, is there now. And when I pull it onto my model, it needs to be tiled because it's a little too big, the print, so I can just tile it out. And, you know, that's what it looks like. That's awesome. Now, if I close out of Substance and open again, it'll still be there available to be used. But don't tune out yet. I just want to show you how to make that link in your the shortcut, because I keep all these shortcuts on my desktop for easy access because I'm always downloading new stuff. So if you want to have a shortcut to where you keep this, you're just going to right click on that desktop, go to New Shortcut, and you just browse to it. So this PC, Windows, Program Files, Adobe, Substance Painter, Resources, what was that? Starter Assets. And then you can just keep it as is if you want to make the link to all of this stuff, or you can be specific and just say, I'm going to be downloading materials, so I want it to link to materials. And that's what I'll do. Okay, next. Materials too, I already have one. Okay, so that'll work because you just double click and you have direct access to this, and you can just drag anything from your downloads into this, and it'll be much easier than navigating there every time. I made this video because the old instructions on how to get to these subfolders were outdated. They used to reference something called a shelf, which is not where things are stored anymore for Adobe Substance files. So if you're finding that you can't navigate to that shelf file, it's probably because the structure has changed. So this is the new way to do it. I hope this helped you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in another video.